Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So today is May 17th, 2021. Hopefully, everyone has their taxes in. You have until 11:59 p.m. And if you do not get your taxes in today, make sure you go ahead and file an extension. Today, I want to talk about knowing your numbers. I think it's a perfect time to talk about this. And this encompasses many things. But today I want to talk about focusing on revenue. You have to know your numbers. You have to know how much you're actually bringing in. If you don't know that, then you don't know what you should spend. You don't know how much cash you have. So, knowing your numbers, number one, you need to know how much revenue you're bringing in on a weekly, monthly, and yearly basis. So by now, you should know how much you brought in for 2020 revenue side. And then also, you should know if you offer multiple products or services, you should also know, well, which product or service generated the most revenue, which ones generated the least revenue. Then, second, you should be able to predict revenue. So, this is probably something new to you, but you want to forecast out your revenue. We don't know what's going to happen for the rest of the year, but when you actually forecast revenue, this will help you with your marketing strategy, your social media strategy, client strategy. So predict, forecast out, okay, this is how much revenue I want to bring in. Number three, knowing your numbers, what cash, the amount of cash I have on hand. This is very important. And you also want to forecast out your cash. Like, this is what I'm expecting in my bank account. Predicting cash will help you to make sure you pay your bills on time, whether that's payroll, utilities, and even if you're paying yourself. So, this is what I mean by knowing your numbers. Like I said, this is, May 17th. I believe May 31st is the last day to apply for the PPP loan. Once again, there are so many businesses and organizations who have not applied because they do not know their numbers. Their accounting records are not in order. So you need use this time, use this as a learning experience and say, let me reach out to a bookkeeper, to an accountant, or to someone who can help me get on track. So I'm definitely, this situation is probably going to occur again. We don't know when, but you want to be ready for it. You want to know your numbers. You want to know that, okay, for this particular year, I brought in this amount of money. It has decreased by 10%, 20%, whatever the case may be. When you know your numbers, this is how you grow. And if you continue to not keep up with your records, not knowing your numbers, you'll be constantly in a rat race. You'll be constantly always, former managers to say, just catching your tail. So don't let that happen to you. Get some help, get organized, use this time now to say, okay, how much revenue have I brought in this year? What is the quarter looking like? Let me forecast out how much revenue I need to bring in. Let me forecast out the cash that I need to pay the bills. And if you need any help, DM me. We can set up some time to discuss. So we can chat, whether that's accounting, or you just want me to look at your books, look at your financial statements, and I can let you know what I think. So once again, get help. So hopefully this information is helpful to you. Make sure you check out our YouTube channel. I have some more mini lessons on accounting and other business matters. I'll see you later in the week. Take care.